Hey, welcome. It's Henry the computer guy. Actually, previously we talked about the insert tab, and today we are actually going to be talking about what we call the design. So in our previous tutorials, we talked about the home tab, the insert tab. So today we are going to look at what we call the design. Actually, we have what we call the theme as the first one, and we have here the document formatting. Then assuming that we have our document as this, let's use some round equals and we get some dummy text here. Let's say we have 7 and 7. Assuming this is the information we are having, we can, let's say, go to home and put it in Times New Roman. I always prefer that because it looks nice. So specifically, this is what we have for the beginning. We can wrap this even. So we have that as our information. We can as well put a heading. Let's say it's going to be Introduction to Computers. So we have this. We can make this one as our title. For example, we can have this. We can put it in the middle. That is the information we are having as per now. So now we want to see how we can use how we can use the design to really make a difference into our document. So when we come to design, the first one we are having is the theme. So first of all, we can look for any type of theme that we have here. It goes on changing through our work. Or before that, we can first use what we call the document formatting. So we can come and select any type of document formatting we need from the list. So as you go on moving to show you the way your information is going to look like, this is how it is looking like in this format. Those are the document formattings. And when we come to our themes here, we can choose any type of good theme that we really need. So I've chosen this, then the color changes automatically according to the type of theme that you have really selected. Or if you really needed this theme and you needed to change the color, you can as well come and change the colors to your format that you really want. So it goes on changing according to what you have. You can also change the font. The font specifically means the shape of the character. How do you want your characters to look like? So you can go on changing that. So we can Control A, select all, then change the font to any type of font that we really want. Then we can also change what we call a spacing of our document. It can go, do you see it? It goes on changing depending on where you really go. Or you can specifically customize them. The spacing can, let's say you can say after it can be 6, before it can be also 6. You go on making different settings into the information the way you really want. Do you see the change? So you can as well make it tight. You can as well many. Then you can also change the effects from the list. You can pick any type of effect from the list, then you go on modifying your information the way you really want. Then lastly, you can come and say you want to set that theme as a default, such that set the current style as and a theme, including font colors, to be default, that whenever you really using that, it will always be set as the default or automatically be selected as that one. Are we together? So right now I don't want to be setting it as a default, but that is specifically how we can go about that information. You can go on changing that information because we really have many of them here. You can go through, go on changing. It goes on changing according to the type of theme and the color and fonts that you have selected. So specifically, that has been all about the document formatting. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.